Today we're showing you this 2018 Mazda CX-5 GT technology package in all-wheel drive, Canada's #1 SUV by Consumer Choice Awards, and is available at Kramer Mazda. This beautiful red 5-seater SUV is a local Alberta-driven car, came from its original owner with clean Carfax. The CX-5 is equipped with Mazda's Skyactiv 2.5 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and has just over 42,000 kilometers on it, very low mileage. This SUV is Mazda's top-of-the-line, fully loaded with safety, comfort, and entertainment features, and also comes with 2 sets of winter and summer tires. Whether you're looking for a safe family car with lots of trunk space or need a work commuter with luxury features but still easy on the wallet, this CX-5 will fit your lifestyle. This car is fully inspected at our certified shop and also qualifies for Mazda's certified program. To check this out, please come down to Kramer Mazda today.